Hello everyone. I would like to share with you my review of the Focusrite third gen versus the Focusrite first gen. So I have this Focusrite for over 4 years already, and I bought a new one. This is the third gen. So as you can see, based on its display, there is a big difference in its interface. So one is the knob here. As you can see, what do you call this, the knob is very different here. The 48 volts phantom power has a different switch here. There is a select button, but in the Focusrite first gen there is a selector. And then when I hook up my mic, my Shure SM57 58, and then when I try to sing, as you can see, the color of the red, my camera is not focusing. The color of the LED is very different from the Scarlett first gen. So I will switch the mic and let's see. Ini sa mic. Ay, balance ali. Na. Dali. Okay. I will turn off the hello. Okay, so now I'm on the first gen Focusrite, and then I will try to clip the level. So hello, as you can see, the color of the LED is red, and it doesn't matter because as long as the audio is clean. So for the USB connection, the Focusrite first gen uses the printer cable, I guess. Is this a printer cable? So for the third gen, it uses USB Type-C connector for this input for the computer. And then let's see at the back for the third gen. So there is a line output, and then what's this? I don't know about this. For the first gen, this is the interface, line output, and then the printer cable, and then this is new for me. So I will try to record something for the quality of the interface. So for the size, I will put them side by side. The third gen is smaller than the first gen, as you can see here. So, and the third gen has a white logo here, while the first gen has a black logo here. So let's try. I will try to record something from my DAW. Let's see if the sound quality is the same, or is this has a slight advantage over the first gen. So I will try to cut this. So I'm here on the first gen, so I will try to record something. So okay, I think that's enough. Then I will try to set up first. So here I plug my mic to the third gen. try to set up the level. Uh, 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 so what I'm doing is I'm setting the level so that it won't clip. So the comparison will be as precise as it gets. So I will try to record something in this look. Okay, this is the third gen. Okay, so I will try to record something as similar as possible. So let's compare the sound. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the first gen first. Here. So I'm gonna switch and then record. So for the first few seconds, I will not make some noise, and then I will speak after a few seconds. Okay. Dum 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 dum. My chest, my chest, my chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. My chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. Okay, this is the first gen. So I will switch on the camera. I will switch on the mic to the third gen. So now, hello. It's on the third gen. Okay. So first I need to set up here preferences, then switch on to Scarlett 282, and then here. Okay, I will try to do the same. I will not speak for a few seconds then. Okay. Dum 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 dum. My chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. My chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. My chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. As you can see, the level is has a slight difference, but let's hear the results. Dum 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 dum. My chest, my chest, my chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. My chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. Okay, this is the first gen. Okay. Dum 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 dum. My chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. My chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. My chest, my chest, my chest, 1 2. As you can see,